हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू टीएमके रिएक्शन। दिस इज तलहा और हाजिर हैं हम एक और नई वीडियो के साथ। हाँ, नई नई बीट बॉक्सिंग मतलब सीखना शुरू करा है मैंने, मतलब ऐसे ही बस थोड़ा बहुत कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत। जैसे ये बस बगाओ। आई एम नॉट गुड एट इट, समझ जाओ बस। तो आज हम रिएक्शन देने वाले हैं मिस्टर बीस्ट की वीडियो पे फिर से, जिसका टाइटल है $1 वर्सेस $1 बिलियन यार्ट। $1 बिलियन इज, अगर करोड़ में किया जाए, सीआर में किया जाए तो इज इक्वल्स टू 1 बिलियन, 100 करोड़। $1 से लेके $100 करोड़ तक की यार्ट में जो ना ये आई थिंक सफ़र करने वाले हैं। वाट, देखते हैं, मजे की वीडियो होगी। आई थिंक सो क्या यार, $1 बिलियन यार, एक मिनट, $1 बिलियन बहुत होते हैं, बहुत पुश्ते हमारी खत्म हो जाएंगी, हम नहीं कमा पाएंगे। होए 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 होए। तो चले वीडियो की तरफ बढ़ने से पहले वही हमारा रिवायती डायलॉग, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। मेक श्योर यू प्रेस द बेल आइकन। तो हमारी जो हर वीडियो आएगी आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिल जाएगा, ताकि आप सबसे पहले आके लाइक कमेंट कर सको। तो भाई सब्सक्राइब करो फटाफट। चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ, वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। ठीक है, मिस्टर बीस्ट की वीडियो है तो इंग्लिश में ही होगी। अगर किसी को समझ में नहीं आए तो सबटाइटल ऑन कर दूंगा। इनके वीडियो में सबटाइटल्स होते हैं उर्दू, इंग्लिश, फ्रांस, पश्तो वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह, XYZ हर लैंग्वेज में। तो मैं उर्दू के सबटाइटल्स ऑन कर दूंगा। अगर किसी को इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आती इन केस तो वो उर्दू सबटाइटल्स पढ़ लेना नीचे। ठीक है, मैं वीडियो स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। हेडफोन्स पहन लिए। स्क्रीन आ गई, नहीं आई, एक मिनट, स्क्रीन आ गई। और 3 2 1
This is a $1 billion super yacht, and it's
अबे
big
सोने
enough
की
to
है
hold
क्या?
an entire city on the water. How do humans build this stuff? And I'm going to show you the difference between this and a $300 million mega yacht,
ये
a
भी बहुत
$50
प्यारी है।
million giga yacht, all the way down to this $1 yacht. Why did you sell me this boat for $1?
The storage is just
अच्छा, खरीद रहे हैं?
$1,000.
It's cost you 18 grand a year to store this?
Correct.
Interesting. Here you go.
Thank you.
And after stepping on board, it was pretty clear why this yacht only cost $1. Okay, now that we're on the water, what are we working with in here? I don't think
ओ पानी आ रहा है
I
अंदर।
don't know if this is even worth $1.
Oh, we're actually sinking. Oh, the boat literally started sinking right when we put it in the water.
We gotta go up.
We're sinking! Jump, Chandler!
$1 ज्यादा हो गया। मतलब $1 तो नहीं, इसको गाड़ी मतलब पानी में उतारा है तो उसकी
a $300 million yacht and the $1
यार।
billion super yacht. But before all that, here's the $1 million yacht, which is a little smaller than I thought it would be. Hop on, boys.
तो फिर भी यार $1
Let's see
मिलियन
the
कम
inside.
थोड़ी होते हैं,
On the
हमारे लिए तो
$1
बहुत
million
है।
yacht, you get a surprisingly big living room, a lower deck with a master bedroom, another bedroom that I can't stand up in, and then you got some double beds for the kids.
Wait, you have kids?
Chris, Chandler, Carl, Nolan.
Don't worry, boys. I got you.
Please stop. Someone's gonna send a rescue boat.
We need the Coast Guard.
I wonder if I turn this if he'll fall. Stop!
ओ
This is
ओ
fun!
ओ ओ
Oh! For $1 million boat, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little smaller than I thought. Let's see if these guys watch our videos.
Oh my God!
Hey, he has seen our channel. That's pretty funny.
ओह,
Now
फैंस
we're
मिल
going
गया।
to the $10 million one.
$10 million.
See ya. It's
ओह
gonna be great.
Bye.
यार,
God, he's fast.
ये तो बेहतरीन
And
किस्म
now
की
we are
यार।
on the $10 million yacht. Let's check this out. Holy crap.
The front of the boat's huge.
Ooh.
It's just way bigger than the last one. Look at the view.
यार जिंदगी में एक चाहिए, ये चीज चाहिए
Oh
जिंदगी
my
में।
gosh, yes, this is a nice bedroom. For $9 million more, I can actually stand up. And right down these stairs are 4 more massive bedrooms.
4
Two
बेडरूम
toilets side by side. Oh, that's a bidet, Jim. For your butt? You poop in here, and then you wash your butt in here. Why don't you just use toilet paper?
So American.
And upstairs is another seating area. Oh my gosh. The seats on the $1
Oh.
million yacht were leather and hot. These are actually soft.
Soft and practical.
This boat is the nicest boat I've been on so far.
Well,
Ooh.
just wait until you see the next one. It's massive. And because it's so
25
massive,
million.
I invited all my friends. Go have fun. Go, go, go! This boat is meant to hold 150 people. They're gonna have a lot of fun. Oh my God!
Okay,
What is the
150
difference between this
लोग आ
and a
सकते हैं
mansion?
इसमें.
This is a mansion. When does it stop? Jimmy, I'm still going.
This is definitely the nicest bedroom we've seen so far. And it's nice because my head doesn't
बहुत
hit the ceiling.
बढ़िया.
I can barely touch it now. This yacht has a living room, an office, a massage parlor, 2
Oh.
dining rooms, and 7 bedrooms.
7 bedrooms on the water.
I'm driving the boat.
Chocolate! It's not feasible. It's not feasible!
Thank you for saving my life.
वाह
Buddy,
मसाज वाला.
relaxed? Are you done with massage yet? Here you go, take a bite.
So we got all the goon squads in here. It's a $25 million boat with 30 rooms. Why are you guys in here? This bed is so cold.
Even though this yacht comes with a world-class chef, the
Oh.
boys still wanted pizza. So I planned a little surprise. Do you know what we're standing on, boys?
A boat.
Helipad.
A boat.
A helipad.
Helipad.
And Uber conveniently does helicopter deliveries.
Oh,
It's free. Is that a helicopter?
ऊबर हेलीकॉप्टर में भी
I can't believe
डिलीवरी
it
देता
actually
है.
worked.
वाह भाई. Pizza, 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 pizza.
I am terrified of parallel parking.
Oh.
We just landed a helicopter on a moving boat. Who wants some pizza?
Woo.
I know you're not supposed to swim after you eat a bunch of pizza.
Ah.
But you are on a $25 million yacht.
जेट स्कीज भी हैं इनके
Which
पास.
thankfully, when you pay $25 million, you get some jet skis.
कम से कम 4 जेट
Tariq
स्कीज
flipped the
हैं.
jet ski. Yo, Mac, catch this pizza. Oh!
Oh.
$25 million yacht, and I'm the only one enjoying it.
If you thought this yacht was crazy, look at this video of the $50 million yacht. You know what? Honestly, let's just go to it right now. Zoom in. And now we are on the $50 million
Oh,
yacht.
भाई,
This
क्या
yacht
sexy
is over
yacht है.
200 feet long, 4 stories high, can hold over 200 people.
एक मिनट. क्या क्या
Zoom in.
क्या क्या है क्या क्या
And
है?
now we are on the $50 million yacht. This
50
yacht is over 200 feet long, 4 stories high, can hold over
चार
200 people, and
200
comes with a
people.
20-person crew. What this
20%
almost worse than I
crew.
found.
What's up, guys?
When you pay $50 million, you're given this remote that can call the crew at any time.
Ooh.
No, I just wanted to show how this works. But that's not the only thing the remote does.
They said this TV goes up and down.
That's cool.
Oh.
That is slow, dude. Maybe it's like.
I'm gonna
I
go
know.
downstairs. You guys go upstairs. Tell me if you find anything cool.
Okay. Oh, it is massive. It's like a whole nother boat up here.
Jimmy, there's nothing cool up here. Don't worry.
Oh.
Whoa. The interesting thing is I've
Ooh.
just been walking and I don't know if I'm at the halfway
Nice,
point in the boat
यार.
or if I just started.
मतलब ये बोर्ड ऐसी है, यॉट ऐसी है कि आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि आप एक यॉट में हो. आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि आप घर में हो. मतलब 4 स्टोर, मतलब 4 फ्लोर्स हैं एक तरीके से. फिर ओफ यार, भाई साहब 200 लोग आ सकते हैं.
Meanwhile, Nolan overslept, so he was still trying to find us.
Have you seen MrBeast? Are you lying to me? Apparently, Pete Davidson is there. If I don't see Pete Davidson, I'm gonna sink the $50 million yacht.
Meanwhile, we noticed another boat was approaching us. And then the owner did this. I was waving at him and he showed me his butt.
That's gonna be someone's dad one day, dude.
All right, catch.
Oh.
Where are they going? Are they backing away from us, or are we just that much better?
Uh-oh.
This is the most.
Oh.
The guy that's bigger and stronger than all of us did.
Headshot.
Wow, shocking!
I wonder what other kind of food they got on the yacht.
I heard they have lamb.
They do not have lamb. No.
Cooked to the dinner.
Oh man. Thank you so much.
Ooh.
Really good.
What projects do you have coming up?
I'm very excited. I have a show called Bupkis coming out on Peacock on May 4th.
3 days before my birthday.
Oh.
And while Nolan was still trying to find us,
Which direction did MrBeast go?
We noticed a lot of boats surrounding our floating billboard. I didn't even know you could put
Festivals.
billboards in the ocean. And we thought they might want some chocolate. I'm delivering chocolate.
Yo, you guys want chocolate?
Oh my God.
Best chocolate I've ever had.
Let's go.
Oh.
Let me know if this is the best chocolate bar ever.
Oh my God. Out of 10 to the 11, Hershey's don't know nothing.
Hershey's doesn't know nothing. Everyone agrees it's better than Hershey's. You need to try it. Tell me what you think.
Honestly, way better than Reese's.
That's what I like to hear. What do you give it?
A 10.
Flying peaceable bars to people.
Hey, Feastables incoming!
Let go of the string! One peaceable bar delivered.
Hey, Carl, they're trying your gummies. If you want to try the best chocolate bars, cookies, and gummies on the planet, go to Walmart, 7-Eleven, or any Albertson stores right now. Or go to Feastables.com right now if you want to order online.
इनका अपना ब्रांड है ना चॉकलेट का.
It's better than every other chocolate, so why wouldn't you get these nuts?
I agree. Put our nuts in your mouth. At the end of the day, Nolan finally found us. Jimmy! Nolan! We had another 5-star dinner, and the next morning, we boarded one of the world's largest yachts. This is the $300 million yacht, and it has over 50 crew members waiting on your every request.
50 crew members भी हैं इसके साथ भाई साहब.
Tons of luxurious rooms and 9 master
49
bedrooms.
room.
Oh my God.
49 room or 9 master bedroom.
We are the 69th largest yacht in the world.
Is that a factual statement?
Yes, it is.
That is crazy. There are 6 floors, a massive pool, and a hot tub with a view. This is nice.
Dream यार dream.
This is my favorite boat so far.
The $300
Goosebumps आ रहे हैं मुझे
million
तो.
yacht comes with a state-of-the-art gym that overlooks the ocean.
What? Dude, if my boat had a gym, I'd work out.
A movie theater with windows that auto-darken whenever you watch something. And even the table is worth $3 million. And the piano plays itself. I want one of these in my house. All the boys disappeared in the spa. Come with me. Oh, you're getting a haircut. Yes. I
वाह.
was in the sauna. Are you alive? Barely. That does not look comfortable.
क्या
And
क्या
I
नहीं
believe
है
it's
इसमें
Nolan
मतलब
Nolan.
क्या नहीं है इसमें.
Oh, it's so hot!
Ooh.
Man really got in a hot tub with a sunburn. Dude, there's more downstairs?
Whoa.
Oh my God.
Do you think they have
Ooh.
enough jet skis?
What's
It's like a garage.
Oh, I'm doing this!
One of us is getting thrown off the side of the boat. Hey, always be ready for nose goes.
Jimmy, can we eat some food?
Yeah, when you get back. Boys, we must act like rich billionaires.
Oh.
Would you rather have 300 $1 million ships or one $300 million ship?
You could almost have one for every different day of the year. I'm not gonna take care of 300 boats.
Which would you rather have? 300
Sam.
boats or one big boat?
You want the big boat.
Gentlemen, did any of you notice a boat pulling up?
300.
Well, on that boat might be Tom Brady. By might, I mean it is. And we should probably go say hi to him. Let's go. Hey, Tom.
Oh.
What's up, guys?
And if you don't know who Tom Brady is, he is the #1 quarterback in NFL history.
Ooh.
So this is where you get your hair cut on the boat. So it turns
Sportsman.
into a
Oh.
Is this the nicest boat you've been on?
My God, are you kidding me? It's crazy. If you eat too many of these nuts bars before breakfast, I literally had to hide them in my house because I knew these two would sneak to right where they're at. I did. This place is so fun. It's really an endless maze.
यार
I think it's a
बहुत
nice boat in the world.
बहुत
Beautiful. And
अलग किस्म
we
की
still have more
चीजें
floors
यार
to
ये.
go on.
Tariq's the master of the camera.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is a way nicer helicopter pad.
When I think of a helicopter pad on a yacht, this is what I think of, not what we had before. And with Tom Brady here, of course we had to play some football. This is the most fun version of catch because you just do this and he just throws it there. I just
Ooh.
suck.
That's what I got paid for,
फिर
Jimmy.
भी.
Come on.
I want to see if you can hit my drone out
फिर
of
भी
the
उसमें
sky
निशाना
with
अच्छा
a
लगा.
football.
All right. If I hit the drone on the first try, maybe I should come out of retirement.
I like it.
Oh.
I probably will miss.
First try.
Nolan, put your sunscreen on.
Bro's probably the worst wide receiver you've ever thrown to. Unless you dome him in the head, he's probably not going to catch it. All right, Carl, don't screw this up. Just throw it as far as you can. You hit him in the chest. You got to hit him in the head. After chilling with Tom Brady, we hung out in the movie room for the rest of the night. Would you say this is the best boat so far?
100%.
But keep in mind, there's still a $1 billion
ओह
boat.
हाँ अभी
How
1
big can
बिलियन
that get?
It is 4 times bigger than this boat.
These things get bigger.
This ship is bigger than 3 statues of liberty.
Holy crap.
You cannot fathom how massive this ship is. It is literally a floating city that is 1,200 feet wide and 17 stories high. And it fits almost 10,000 people. In all the other ships, we had our own rooms, but this ship has over 2,000 rooms. This boat has water slides, an indoor mall, a basketball court, and tons of other stuff I can't.
भाई साहब बोर्डे क्या है मतलब ये तो मिनी सिटी है एक तरीके से बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट वाटर स्लाइड्स
Can't even name,
I ran out of fingers.
all of which we have to ourselves. Have fun, boys. It's that way.
Oh, okay.
Let's see what happens.
Whoa! There's a water slide. There's a whole entire water park.
वाटर पार्क है पूरा
We're running. They literally have live music in the water park. What the heck?
There's even an entire sports floor that has everything you can imagine.
Mini golf. We're literally playing mini
गोल्फ कोर्स भी है भाई साहब
And I wasn't exaggerating when I said this ship.
आर्केड भी है
There's literally 7 neighborhoods on this ship. This is insane. We're still on a ship. And just for reference, this is what one of those neighborhoods look like.
So I went down a slide and now I'm teleported
It's like a shopping
into, like,
mall.
a different world. And you have a carousel?
They have
Starbucks
shops,
coffee.
restaurants, arcades, even a Starbucks. Hey, Chandler! Hey! 100 million people are watching. Let's see if you make the shot.
ओह
This is crazy. Like, how can I use all these seats? I'm only one person.
लिटरली
Apparently, there's an
मतलब
entire floor
पूरा
for indoor
साल
shows
लग
and
जाएगा
events.
पूरी शिप को एक्सप्लोर करने में पूरा थिएटर है
Obviously, I don't need this giant ship all to myself. So, I wanted to share this experience with you guys, my subscribers.
400 सब्सक्राइबर्स को बोला है
Holy cow, this boat. Actually pretty nice.
What's up, boys? Let's get it.
We're gonna go ride the carousel. Where'd Chandler go?
हाँ चैनल आर्केड में बैठा है
And just when we had thought we had seen everything here, what is this? How do humans build this stuff? Also, in this giant mall, inside of this giant ship, there's a bar that comes down from the ceiling.
ओह
Wait, what are those robotic
रेस्टोरेंट्स बार्स
All right, buddy. Oh,
Probably kids menu.
See how much you guys, my subscribers, were enjoying this ship.
never let go.
इमेजिन करो आप इस शिप पे अकेले हो ओए होए होए मतलब हार्ट लग जाएगी ओए होए
And I had one last surprise for my subscribers on the cruise ship, so I had Nolan gather them all together.
I have a big announcement for all of you. To all the subscribers we brought here today, we're giving you a 3-night free cruise.
And if you want to be in a video in the future, subscribe so you can join us next time. We filmed a secret MrBeast video that will never be uploaded to YouTube. The only way you can watch this video is by buying a Feastables product within the next 30 days and scanning the QR code on the back of it. There's literally never been a better time to buy Feastables from Walmart, Albertsons, 7-Eleven, or Feastables.com. I spent over $1 million on this secret video. You want to buy Feastables so you can watch it.
ओह भाई साहब क्या था ये भाई बड़ा पैसा है लोगों के पास बहुत पैसा है लोगों के पास भाई बहुत पैसा है $1 बिलियन की यार क्या यार थी यार भाई पार्क भी तो जिम भी तो भाई मतलब वाटर पार्क था जिम था और क्या क्या था शॉपिंग मॉल बना हुआ था अलग अलग ब्रांड्स की आउटलेट्स थी कॉफ़ी शॉप्स और मतलब XYZ सब था तो फूड कोर्ट तो फिर अपना बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट टेनिस कोर्ट तो अपना स्विमिंग पूल मतलब क्या कुछ नहीं था यार बार्स रेस्टोरेंट्स फिर कितने रूम्स बताए थे रूम्स मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया 2000 रूम बताए थे शायद रूम्स थे और पता नहीं क्या क्या यार भाई साहब मिनी सिटी लग रहा था मतलब मिनी सिटी भी कहाँ मतलब अच्छा खासा था जब 10,000 लोग ले सकते हैं इस शिप पे तो फिर कितना ही बड़ा होगा ओए 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 और इससे जो पहले वाली थी ना सेकंड लास्ट वो वाली भी बहुत प्यारी थी और उसमें भी जिम था उसमें स्विमिंग पूल था और उसमें क्या था हेलीपैड वगैरह भी बना हुआ था, उसमें सुहाना था, उसमें हेयर कट भी हो रहा था, सैलून भी बना हुआ था। मतलब यार इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते हम। वो कितने की थी? वो 300 मिलियन की थी और ये 1 बिलियन की थी, मतलब 100 करोड़ डॉलर। अब डॉलर, 100 करोड़ डॉलर्स को PKI में कन्वर्ट करके देखना एक दफ़ा, दिमाग ख़राब हो जाएगा देख के। वो जो फिगर आएगा ना, वो फिगर्स देख के ना आपका दिमाग ख़राब हो जाएगा। क्या है भाई, लोगों के पास बहुत पैसा है, बहुत पैसा है लोगों के पास, बस हमारे पास ही नहीं है। यहाँ पे हम पाकिस्तान टूर पे नहीं जा पा रहे। क्या यार, छोड़ो, कह ही नहीं रहा मैं। हाय, थी बड़ी क्लास की वीडियो यार, बहुत क्लास की वीडियो। अच्छा 14 मिनट की वीडियो है, पता भी नहीं चला। 14.46 वीडियो, ओ 46 सेकेंड्स की वीडियो है। ओके, तो ये था आज का हमारा रिएक्शन। उम्मीद है आपको पसंद आया होगा। मैंने सोचा कि मिस्टर बीस्ट की वीडियो पे भी बना के देख लेते हैं रिएक्शन, कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आता है। अगर रिस्पॉन्स अच्छा है तो हम बनाएंगे, बनाएंगे और बनाएंगे। तो उम्मीद है आपको अच्छी लगी होगी। कमेंट्स में हमें ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी और नेक्स्ट वीडियो किस चीज़ के ऊपर होनी चाहिए, किस चीज़ के ऊपर हम अपना रिएक्शन दें, वो भी कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताएं। आजकल मैं देख रहा हूँ लोग वो भी करते हैं, टिकटॉकर्स के ऊपर भी, जो है ना, टिकटॉक वीडियोस के ऊपर भी रिएक्शन देते हैं, फ़नी वीडियोस के ऊपर भी। तो सोचेंगे, लेकिन हमें सजेस्ट ज़रूर करो कि क्या है क्या नहीं। आप सजेस्ट ही नहीं करते हो, तो सजेस्ट ज़रूर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें। मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अपना और अपने प्यारों का ख्याल रखेगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।
Switch.